Hello everyone, welcome to Metamorphosis. So today I am going to explain you some basic overview of 5S. Okay. First of all, what is 5S? 5S is a philosophy or methods or 5 steps that need to be taken to create a clean and organized workplace. The 5 steps to do a clean and organized workplace as per 5S, which are in English which called as a sort, set in order, sign, standardize, and sustain. But in Japanese, we call as a seiri, seaton, shiso, shikestu, and sustuke. Okay. In seiri, what we do? In seiri, we sorting through all items in a locations and removing all unnecessary items from the location. Or you can say we are sorting wanted and unwanted items. Okay. In set in order, what we do? We putting all necessary items in an optimal place for fulfilling their function in a workplace. Or you can say arrange all necessary items so that they can be easily select for use. Or in the same you can add a place for everything and everything for its place. Okay. Next one is sign. In sign, what we do? We clean our workplace, inspecting the workplace machine on regular basis, clean the workplace equipment on daily basis, and inspect the workplace and equipment while cleaning. Okay. And standardize. Next one is standardize. So what we do in standardize, develop a work structure that will support new practice, make it part of daily routine, ensure everyone know their responsibility or performing the sorting, organize and cleaning. Okay. And the last one is sustain. In sustain, what do we do? We develop the process by self discipline of the worker. Okay. So organize training session, perform regular audit to ensure that all defined standards are being implemented and followed. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.